Hello, what's up everybody? This is DW checking in with some trades today. For those who don't know me, we do trade for real, unlike a lot of people that you see on socials these days. So always happy to talk about that. And my goal is to help everyone, not just Wall Street, profit from stock markets, crypto markets, or any trading instrument in any market condition, not just make money when the market goes up. We can make money when it goes sideways, down, and on and on. So with that said, remember, these are just educational examples only. Some might be hypothetical trade or setups, but remember, this is not financial advice, so make sure you always keep that in mind. Why do you want to listen to me? I've been day trading, position, swing trading profitably now for over 15 years through several bull and bear markets. And another interesting point is I'm actually making good money in 2022. Lots of it actually, which there's been a ton of opportunity if you're an active trader. So this channel is a great way to show you what we're up to, what we're doing right now, what we're trading for trade ideas, updates, thoughts, and entertainment. Maybe a little of that too. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel and do all that YouTube stuff. So with that said, thank you. Let's get moving. Markets today. Kind of mixed, as you saw. There's a little sideways action. This is the S&P 500 on a daily chart here. Reason I'm showing that here, let's just show the market overview here on Yahoo Finance, my favorite place to take a peek. Mixed day in the U.S. stock market. You can see we've got slightly up today for the major indexes. The small cap Russell 2000 down, so mixed action again. Other notable things, commodities were all over the place, and they have been the last couple days. So crude oil, gold, copper, lots of movement there recently, which spells opportunity for us. And on the commodity side, it was pretty intense today. Here's the daily chart on oil. You can just see here, I mean, this is really taking a hit here over the last week or so. And same thing, that is a dirty looking downtrend on the daily chart. HG over here, as you can see, is the ticker for copper futures. So there will be opportunities there for things to look at. And reminder, this is CME Group. If you're looking to learn more about futures trading and markets and why we love them, especially for short-term trades, swing trading, I mean, there's not a better way to do it. You can control your leverage, your risk. They're very tax efficient, among other things, but just a great way to do it. So I wanted to call out CME if you want to learn more about futures trading, and we'll do future videos on this too. But here's my trading setup as usual, keeping life simple and easy. My old outdated laptop right in front of the beach and the water, plus coffee. Doesn't get much better than that. Today's that I just wanted to highlight, ES, so you can see the ticker right up top here, is the futures contract for the S&P 500. Just one of the core trades I take on a pretty regular basis throughout the year here. This one ended up working nicely. As you can see today, I was up almost $1,500 in the account. And then the P&L, I think I've had this open for 2, 3, 4 days now, up over $3,000 trading one contract or one lot on that. So really happy with how that turned out with the U.S. equities floating up a little bit today. And this is the other one, just kind of been sitting on the short for a while. You can see over here on the MNQ at -1, means I'm short the NASDAQ index. Waiting for a little pop down here. Might end up just closing this out. This is taking a little longer than I was hoping for. But MNQ is the micro contract, which is great because you can trade the NASDAQ future without having a huge amount of money in your account. But you can see that's currently underwater about $650. All in all, though, taking those two together, pretty nice little day, and happy to report on that. So keep an eye out. Kind of what am I watching? Commodities on the radar. With all the movement, CL is light crude oil or oil, as folks know of here. Got a little tester out there right now. This is another index that I watch, the DAX futures. FDAX is the ticker. Looking for some moves on these, maybe some pull-ups here to potentially look at some shorts, and just really intrigued. Here is, again, copper, to see what happens in some of these commodity names, like oil, HGs, the copper contract. These moves are all over the place, and just on the other side, the US dollar is showing a lot of strength. So the currencies, the Aussie, the Canadian, and then the euro is the one that most watch. I mean, that is a crazy looking chart on the euro there, breaking down to the downside here. You can see it kind of busted through the other low. So kind of intrigued to see where that one's going to end up here. It's at $1.02 right now, and we got to go back quite a ways here. This is the weekly chart to kind of see the last time, as you can see, a very long time actually, that the euro was at these levels. I mean, you saw this in 15, 16, 17, and we are right there or right below. So that's another one on the radar, kind of watching that US dollar strength with everything that's going around right there for now. But hope that helps. Few ideas, few things we're keeping an eye on as the wrap up for some of the trades that we put out today. Not a bad one, but hope you're having a great week, and keep an eye open. We'll see what happens. I mean, U.S. stocks are still in a downtrend. Could that rally for a while? Absolutely, but doesn't matter whether stocks go up, down, or sideways. There's plenty of opportunities and plenty of ways to make money. With that, have a great day. DW out. We'll see you next time.